Today, I'll show you how to enter coordinates on Google Maps. Whether you're planning a trip, trying to find a specific location, or just want to explore the world from your screen, knowing how to enter coordinates can be incredibly useful. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be confidently navigating Google Maps with ease. So let's dive in. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to google.com/maps. This is the starting point for all your map-based explorations. Google Maps is an incredibly powerful tool that not only provides directions, but also allows you to explore the world by entering specific coordinates. It's a handy feature for those times when you have the latitude and longitude of a place and want to pinpoint it on a map. Once you're on Google Maps, the next step is to right-click on the location that interests you. This is a quick way to access more information about that spot. A small box will appear showing the exact coordinates of the location you clicked on. These coordinates are expressed in latitude and longitude, which is the universal way of identifying a specific point on Earth. Now, you'll need to copy these coordinates. You can do this by simply highlighting them and using the copy function on your device, whether that's a right-click and selecting copy, or using keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. Having these coordinates copied is essential for the next steps. After copying the coordinates, move to a different area within Google Maps. This could be done by clicking anywhere on the map or by searching for another location. This step is crucial if you want to compare locations or if you're planning to pinpoint multiple places using their coordinates. Now, it's time to paste those coordinates into the search bar at the top left of the Google Maps interface. Just click into the search bar and use the paste function, which might be right-click and paste, or using Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. Once you've pasted the coordinates, they should show up in the search bar, ready to be processed by Google Maps. Finally, click on the search icon or press enter on your keyboard. This will prompt Google Maps to locate the entered coordinates and bring you directly to that spot on the map. You'll see the map zoom in and center on the exact location specified by the coordinates, allowing you to explore further, get directions, or even switch to street view if it's available. And there you have it. This quick tutorial has shown you exactly how to enter coordinates on Google Maps. With these simple steps, you can easily find precise locations across the globe. This can be particularly handy for travel planning, research, or just satisfying your curiosity about different parts of the world. Now you can explore with confidence and precision using the power of coordinates on Google Maps. Happy exploring?